Hello everyone and welcome back. So this is the second video of the series. In the last video we have done the folder structure of the React Native, and also we create the three screen with the name of the onboarding, login and the create account, and also we have done the navigation part of the React Native. So in this video I will show you how to design the UI of the onboarding screen, login screen and create account screen. So let's start with the practical. So first we are going to the Figma. So this is first we are going to design the onboarding screen. So we need the import the image. So let's me import the image, first image, and this is the image. Let me show you how to use the image in React Native. So we have the folder with the name of the images, you can see, and just copy and paste it, and we do not need any spaces in this, and just copy the name. Cons folder we have the image path file. Just open this, and we need to first we have the welcome screen, welcome image, and just require. Inside the require just type so assets. Inside the asset we have an image. Inside the image just your image name and .png and save it. So you can see we have image with the name of the welcome image, and we just import this is the address of the image, like assets and image and welcome dot image. So this is the, now we are going to the onboarding screen. We do not need the header also, so for that I'm going to the auth tag. So this is my auth tag, you can see, and inside the auth tag and inside the auth tag we need the come to the stack navigator, and we have a screen options, and inside the screen option we have a header show. Just type false. So now the header will be false automatically. Let me save it. So you can see we hide the header so for the all screens. So now I'm going to the onboarding screen again. So this is my onboarding screen. So let me remove these things. So let's type safe area view, safe area. Let me import the safe area view, and then I want to import the view also, and now I just save it. And first I'm going to import the image. So image, and just type the source image path dot. So we just import the image and view the image, but we haven't applied any styling to the image. So first I'm going to apply the styling for the view. Style main, we have a style dot main view style. So just copy your main view style and come here and paste it. So we have a flex one. We want to divide the whole screen with the flex one. Save it, and just come to your view also and type style dot main view style, and we just save it. For the applying the styling for the image, I want to create the one responsive file also. So let me show you how to create that. I'll create the one file with the name of the scaling.js, and these are my responsive styling tricks. So I will attach the documentation of this also below my video. So now I'm going to the onboarding screen, and this is my onboarding screen. So to apply the styling for the image, so let me create a one style and image styling style, and we have a height, and I just import my height from the style from the scaling that you can see, and I want to divide with the 4, and and divided by 1. Let me save it. Just copy the style, and this is my image style so we have a style dot image style. Let me save it. So now you can see we just apply the styling for the image. Now I'm going to responsive mode, just apply the content. We want to see the image full, So let me 3, 2 is enough. Yeah, 2 is enough. And also width 1.2. So you can see our image is the left side. So for that I'm going to align self. You can type align self center. So my image will be become in the center. So like this we can apply the styling for the image. So now I'm going to see the Figma. So let's see the Figma. So we have a text. So just import this text also. So we have two texts also. Just copy the text, and inside the image, below the image, we just take a one text and just save it. So we have a discover your dream job. So for the text, we also apply the styling. Let me apply the styling. Text style, and we need a font size first. Scale 26, and just copy the style and style dot text style. Let me save it. So now you can see we just apply the styling for the text, and now I want to add the color also. For the color, I'm just going to the color. We have a color of the blue. Just copy this color, and I already create the one file with the name of the color. So this is my color. Just type blue and apply the color also. And let me add the hash and just copy the blue name, and just come to the onboarding screen again and type color, and we have a colors dot blue. So now you can see it automatically changed with the blue also. So now I'm going to add the custom font also. So for that I'm going to the my Figma. So let's copy the font. This is my font. Let me copy the Poppins and just search in the Google, and this, and just the font. Let me get the font also. So these are the medium, regular, semi bold, and bold. Where is the bold? So these are color. Just copy these things, and we have already created the one folder with the name of assets, and inside the asset we have a font. Let me open it and save it. So now you can see we have a Poppin, and now you can see we have a medium, Poppin bold, Poppin regular, and Poppin semi bold. Let me close these things. And I also have a video of the how to add the custom font in React Native. So I will attach the link of that video also. And now we are going to add some files also. So now we are going to add some. So now I'm going to create a one file in the constants with the font family, font family.js. So these are my fonts. You can see we have a regular, medium, bold, semi bold. Let me remove these two. So I will add only 4 fonts. So after that we need to create a one config file also in the main directory like this. Add this command also in your config file. So adding this command also. So now I'm going to the Android also. This is my Android and app and src and main and resources. I want to, in the inside the main, I just want to create a one folder with the name of the assets, and inside the asset I want to create another folder also with the name of the fonts. Inside the fonts I will copy my fonts. So let me copy these fonts, just copy the fonts and paste it. And after that you need to install your app again in Android, and for the iOS you need to go to the open the Xcode. Let me open the Xcode and open your Xcode, and inside the Xcode just click on your project, and inside the project you need to create a one group also with the name of resources, resource. So resource, and inside the resource you need to add the fonts also. For that, just open show in the finder, and just paste your all fonts. Let me again copy my fonts also. Let me come to the src assets, and these are my fonts. Let me open reveal and finder, copy, and just paste it, close. So now you can see we just add the fonts, but we do not see. So for that, just click and add the file, and just select all, and just select your project and finish. And now you can see we have a build and resources. There is a we have a copy bundle resources. We have also, we just add the fonts also in the iOS. So now I'm going to the info.playlist file. So for that, just come here and info. So this is my info.playlist file, and just copy this command from my other project. We need to copy the font, the feature book. So we do not need this also. We just remove this command. So we do so we have a pop-in bold and pop-in medium and pop-in regular and pop-in semi-bold. Just save it. So after that, we need to add the one library. So that is the React Native assets. So this is the library. You can see React Native assets, and just copy. I'm using yarn. Just copy this and come. Just copy and paste it. And after that, you need to cd iOS and install the ports. So after installation port, we need to go to the Xcode. So this is our Xcode. Let me clean the build, clean all. So now I'm going to run the project again. So let me run the project again. Also run the project from the Xcode also. You just click on the play button, so the project will be run automatically. So this is the timer, you can see. So it will take us some time. So till that time, I'm going to the project. So this is our project. So we are going to the onboarding screen. Let me save it. And we haven't saved the config file. Let me cancel all the things, and let me cd, and we need to install again the assets. And after it we need to cd iOS and install the port again, port install. So we have made. So we haven't saved the config file. So for that, I just install again also. So let me go to, so now I'm going to the Xcode. So clear the build folder and clear the all issues also, and just tap the plus button. So now it will take us some time to install the build. So till that time, I'm going to the projects. So now we are going to the onboarding screen and save it. And inside the onboarding screen, I'm going to the font family. I just import the font family dot. We have a bold. Just save it. So let's see. Let's wait for the running the project completely. So we just build the project again. So now you can see we have seen the changes also. So like this, we can add the custom font also. For the Android, you need to run your app again. For the iOS, you need to add like this. So let me cd dot and close this. So now I'm going to see the fonts. Let me see, we have a semi bold. Let me apply the semi bold. For this, you can apply like this, semi bold, and save it. You can see. And also we have a 36 size, and also my text is a text align center. So text align center, we need to center the text and save it. So now you can see this is the, and after another text also. For that, I'm just going to copy and just text, and we need to copy this also. existing text is the bold, so you can see the existing text is the bold. For that, just cut the existing and just apply the text again and just paste it and save it. So first we are going to apply the styling for the whole. For that, style and style dot explore text, and just copy this text, come here, and we have a, so let me see, you can see the font is 14 and we have regular color also. So just type the font, weight, font size, we have a font size first, and scale, just type the 14, and then we have a font family also, font family dot, we have a regular, and also I will apply the color also for the black also. So for that I'm just coming here and we have a black color, just copy the color, and we have already defined the color file also, colors.js, and just copy black and apply the color and add the hash and save it. And just, this is my onboarding screen, and just color, define the color and colors dot black and save it. We go text align center, we need to center the text. And now I'm going to apply the styling for the existing text, and just text, type the existing text, existing text style, and add, so this is the existing text style, and you can see, and just copy this styling and come here, and we need to apply the bold also, save it, and just copy your existing text style, and this is my existing text, and save it. So now you can see with the existing text is look like a bold, but we need a semi bold also. For that, just apply the semi bold and save it. So now you can see we have similar, we have designed this. So now I'm going to apply the margin also. Let me margin top, we need to apply the margin tab, we need to vertical scale and just type 12, and this is the 12 is perfect. So now I'm going to create the two buttons with the name of the login and register. So for that I'm going to create a one custom component button, and here just type the custom button.js and rfs, and just import the touchable opacity from the React Native, and copy this also and save it. So we just create the one button with the name of the custom button, and now I'm going to apply the props also. So we have on press first, on press, just copy the on press also, and we need to add the label also, copy the label, and we need to add the style also. So first I'm going to import the button in my screen. So this is my screen, just come here, and we need to add the one view, and inside the view we need to add the custom button, save it. So we haven't applied anything. Label, we have a label, inside the label we have a login, let me save it. So now you can see we have a button with the name of the login, but we haven't applied any styling. So for that I'm going to the button, and first I'm going to apply the style. So let's see, we have a height also, height, vertical scale 40, and just tap the background color, dot blue, and we need to add the width also. For the width we need to add 40%. Just add the width 40%. And also we need the align item center, justify content center also. We need to add the border radius also, border. So we need to see the border radius. So we have a border radius 10. Let me type 10. And just copy this style and come to this and create a one btn view style and save it, and copy your style and just style and save it. And also we need to apply the styling for the text also. So for the text we need to create the label style, label, and we need a font family first, font family dot semi bold, and font size also scale 16, and just copy the label. And also we need to add the color also for the font. So for that I'm going to the Figma, and we have a white color. Just copy the color and just color and add the color also, white. Save it, copy the color. Let me close this file also. And just type the color and colors dot white. So now we can see we have applied the white color also. And now we are going to the onboarding screen. So this is my onboarding screen. We just copy this also and just paste it again and save it. And we have a change the name also, register. So you can see we have two buttons with the name of login and register. So let me apply the styling. So just come to the view and apply the style, button view, and copy your style and come here and just type flex direction row. And also we need to apply the justify contents and justify contents space between. And we need to add the padding horizontally also, moderate scale 20. So now you can see we just create the one custom button. So we need the styling also a little bit. Just come here, so click on this, and we need to apply the 48. Yeah, it's look better now. So now I'm going to pass some props also for the styling also. So for that, just come here and pass the main view, main button view, and just come here and just add a triple dot. And for the text also we need to pass for the text also. Just come here and add the triple dot and label text style, copy the label text style, paste it. So now we are going to the onboarding screen, register. So just let me type. First we have a main button view. So in the main button view, just apply the styling like a background color. We have a background color, we have a white also. Just import the white. So we can receive the white color also. So label style also, color and dot colors dot black. So now I'm going to apply the color to the main view also. Just copy this, and we need to apply the white color also. So now I just create a one custom button, and we use that button multiple times. So now I'm going to the button view. So this is my button view, and we add the padding horizontally like 32, and also we need the margin top also, and vertical scale and 20. So you can see we just create we need to add the 40. So now we can see we just create one custom button, and we use that button 2 times. So now I'm going to navigate to the login screen and register screen. So for that, just come here, and first we are going to navigate to the login screen on press. So just type in here on press, and just come here, and also navigate to the login screen. So if I click on the login, so now we can go to the login screen. You can see this is the login screen. Let me style the login screen also. This is my login screen. So let me import the safe area view. So now I'm going to the login screen. You can see. So this is my login screen. So now I'm going to the register your create account screen. So first I'm going to change the styling of the create account. Copy, save it. So let's go to the onboarding screen. So this is my onboarding screen. So now I'm going to call the on press and navigate, and just type the create account and save it. When I click to the register, I will navigate to the create account screen. You can see. And when I click to the login, I will navigate to the login screen. So like this, we can create the onboarding screen. In the next video, I will show you how to create the login screen and register screen and calling the APIs and other things. So see you in next video. For now, bye bye.